trunk hatch wasn't opening, so I opened it up, took a couple 10mm bolts out right here for the handle. Where's the other one? Right there and there. And then you start pulling on this whole cover down. Start on the corners over here and work your way all the way around. And then you will have to pull this glued on piece down. I ripped mine, but it's alright, it'll go back up. But anyways, what was happening is when I unlock it, it was only going about like halfway right there, so it wasn't fully unlocking. So but to lock, it was going all the way up. So what I did was go right here. The motor is right here for it, right in the middle. You want to pull this down, grab this tab here, and bend it that way a little bit. And when you do that, put this back on and test it while it's taken apart. Let's see. So now it works. So you can see here. Now it's all the way unlocked. That's all the way locked. If I push on it, it doesn't go any further. Hope this helps you. This is for a 2006 Nissan Armada.